Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Cooking with Jack show. My name is Jack Scalfani, and I just want to thank most of you for showing up on Saturday mornings. We do a live show, and I answer all your questions, and you can join us on Facebook, you can join us on YouTube. We broadcast live on both. You can ask questions on YouTube if you want to talk to me. You can write me if you want to. So today we're doing a food review, and these are little snacks that I'm kind of excited about because it's healthy, and everybody's trying to be healthy as we're still locked in our houses. Trying not to put on the weight while you sit on the couch and, trying to eat some good stuff. So come on in close. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so I'm walking through the store, right? I've seen the commercials for these things, and not a big fan. Didn't turn me on, didn't excite me or anything. But I know Jack Jr. is always looking for protein and health and all that good stuff. So I saw these and I thought, this would be a cool snack like after a workout or before a workout. I might have to check these out. And then I saw how many they had. They only cost $1. We got them on sale. We got them at Kroger. I don't know what it is at your store. But let's run through the flavors. As you can see, these three have the word bold on them. Bold, bold, bold. Why? Because they're the spicier of the line, okay? So you've got a hot buffalo style, you got a jalapeno, and a Thai chili style. Then it kicks into the regular ones. This one's a sweet and spicy. No bold though, even though it's sweet and spicy. Got a honey barbecue. This one excites me. And this is hickory smoked, lemon pepper, ranch, and just chunky light tuna in water. So let's save the bold ones for the end so it doesn't taint my tongue while I'm trying them. We're going to try them on a little square of zero carb bread just to get the feel. And you could turn this into a sandwich, or you could probably just eat it right out of the package. All right, guys. Tammy did a beautiful job of making my samples. There's a little tiny square of bread, got a little bit of tuna on top, and I'm going to say that one looks the best. They all look like tuna, but that one looks like honey barbecue. I think I'm just picking. I don't know. I'll let you know in a second. We're going to try them all. So we're leaving the bold ones for last. So let's start right here with regular chunky or chunk light tuna in water. That's all it is. We'll try that first. Yep. That's tuna. There's a lot of tuna smell going on right now. We got 9 bags of tuna. That just tastes like regular tuna. Nothing special that you don't get out of a can. So now we start the flavors. Are you guys ready? We're gonna, here, let me clear my palate. Okie doke. The next one we're going to is ranch. You ready? It's edible, but it's not like, wow, that's awesome. It's just tuna with, it doesn't even taste like ranch. It tastes like a seasoning on there, but it's not very ranch tasting. All right, let's try lemon pepper. You guys ready? Here we go with lemon pepper. Wow. Lots of lemon, guys. Lots of lemon. Whew. I can't even taste pepper in that. Just lemon. So if you love lemon, you're going to love lemon pepper. Me, I'm not a citrus fan, so that's just okay also. So far, I haven't been blown away by these yet. Let's try the hickory smoked. Oh, it smells hickory. Wasn't really excited about the hickory smoked. All right, let's try the honey barbecue. Let's hope it's not dry. Here we go. That so far is the best. Got a little sweetness, got a little barbecue hint. It's the most well balanced so far. But these bold ones, I'm kind of excited about those. But so far, honey barbecue is the only one I'll buy again. So let's try sweet and spicy. Here we go. That'd be good on a salad. Sweet and spicy is another thumbs up. It's equally as good as honey barbecue. All right, let's move on to the bold flavors. You ready? Thai chili style. Whoops, gotta clear my palate again. All right, here we go. Thai chili style. The Thai chili style has a little bit of heat. It's got a lot of flavor. It is bolder than the rest. A little bit hotter, but I would say it's as good as sweet and spicy and honey barbecue. Right now they're neck and neck. Okay, let's move on to the jalapeno. You guys ready? We're doing the jalapeno one. I love jalapenos. All right. Whew. That's got a little heat too, but that jalapeno tuna is probably, it's a little dry. I'd add a little more mayonnaise or something to it to give it some more moisture, but the flavor wise, that's my favorite. The jalapeno one is my favorite over honey barbecue, Thai chili style, and sweet and spicy. And now for the hot buffalo style. Here we go. Whew. That's the most potent. That is the hottest of the three bold flavors. That hot buffalo style, it's spicy. It's not hot. Anybody could eat it, but it's got the most flavor. I do prefer jalapeno over all of them, but I love all the bold flavors. The sweet and spicy and the honey barbecue. So there you go. We got these on sale for like $1. I wouldn't spend more than that. Are they worth it? Yeah, that's kind of cool. You get a lot in these packets. You'd be surprised. You can make a whole sandwich or a whole salad off of one of these packets. For $1, it's a great snack to take to work. All right? I love you guys, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care.